Welcome to our educational video about macromolecules. Macromolecules are large molecules made up of smaller building blocks called monomers. In this video, we will discuss the four main types of macromolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Let's dive in. Carbohydrates are macromolecules made up of monomers called monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars such as glucose and fructose. Carbohydrates are an essential source of energy for our bodies, and they also provide structural support for cells. There are three main types of carbohydrates: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are single sugar molecules, while disaccharides are made up of two sugar molecules. Polysaccharides are made up of many sugar molecules and include complex carbohydrates such as starch and cellulose. Lipids are macromolecules that are not soluble in water. They are made up of building blocks called fatty acids and glycerol. Lipids serve as an energy source and insulation for our bodies. They also provide protection for organs and help with cell signaling. There are four main types of lipids: fats, oils, waxes, and steroids. Fats and oils are composed of 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol molecule. Waxes are composed of a long-chain alcohol and a fatty acid. Steroids have a unique structure and are important in regulating a variety of cellular processes. Proteins are macromolecules that are made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and there are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined to form a protein. Proteins have a variety of functions in the body, including structural support, enzyme activity, and cell signaling. Proteins have 4 levels of structure: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The primary structure is the sequence of amino acids in a protein, while the secondary structure refers to the folding of the protein. The tertiary structure is the overall 3-dimensional shape of the protein, and the quaternary structure refers to the arrangement of multiple protein subunits. Nucleic acids are macromolecules that are made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides consist of a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. There are 2 main types of nucleic acids: DNA and RNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, contains the genetic information that is passed down from generation to generation. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is involved in protein synthesis and gene regulation. In conclusion, macromolecules are large molecules made up of smaller building blocks called monomers. The 4 main types of macromolecules are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Each type of macromolecule has a unique structure and function in the body. Thank you for watching our educational video about macromolecules.